Hello, good evening everybody. My name is Vishwadeep and I welcome you all on Unacademy Computer Science Channel. This is the lecture in which we are going to discuss about hashing. More specifically, load factor is what in the hashing, what is the clustering, primary clustering, secondary clustering, space utilization in the clustering, and based on the hashing, we are going to talk about the problems based on these small topics. We are definitely going to talk about some more small topics like perfect hashing, minimal perfect hashing, and what is uniform hashing and all. So these small things definitely will add on in your knowledge and definitely will help you to solve the questions in the appropriate manner. So without any delay, let's start the session. Before I start the session, let me introduce myself for those members who don't know about me. My name is Vishwadeep. I work as a team leader in computer science department in the Unacademy branch team. I have written the GATE exam multiple times. As you can see here, the rank 19, 119, 440, 682. These are all my ranks in GATE computer science. I went for my masters to ISC Bangalore, another masters from BITS Pilani in data science, a rich experience in teaching. And these are the courses: COA, data structure and coding interview problems, which I am dealing with on Unacademy's platform. I know you all are aware of the Unacademy, which is the largest platform of learning online in India. But are you aware of this particular point that we provide lots of free content on Unacademy? If not, then I am giving you that information right away. Go to unacademy.com or download Unacademy's learner app and create an account over there. Once you create an account, use a code VDEEP10. This particular code will unlock your all free content on Unacademy's platform. What the free content? Free content in terms of special classes taken by all the educators. Second thing, quizzes. Next thing, some test series and few combat and some different so many such kind of benefits you can get out of the Unacademy's platform. So right away, immediately you just create an account, but remember, you use this particular code VDEEP10 so that you can unlock the classes. If you want to take my classes, just search my name on Unacademy's platform, Vishwadeep. Follow my profile over there so that you can get all the notification of my all special classes. I have taken so many special classes. Those also you can listen in the recorded mode, plus you can listen all my special classes live also on Unacademy's platform. Those classes are very informative, very interactive. My tomorrow's class is at 4 p.m. That particular class is for GATE 22 and 23 aspirants, that how you will make the roadmap of your preparation for 1 year or 2 years for next few years. So that particular class at 4 p.m. tomorrow live. Yes, I am going to tell you the strategy how to go with the courses so that you can prepare the course with the perfect manner. But don't miss out this opportunity of free classes. Go follow my profile, enjoy the free classes, use the code VDEEP10 to unlock the free content on Unacademy's platform. We have a test series also absolutely free for you. Just enroll for it and you will enjoy the free test over there. If you want to have your preparation to be in the best way so that in the GATE exam you can score most, what are the required things to score maximum in the GATE? One thing, you will definitely require greatest knowledge. One thing, another thing, you will require the consistency. Third thing, you will require such kind of short tricks, such kind of understanding of the topic so that you can solve the questions quickly. Of course, that can save a lot of time in your GATE exam, thinking time. Fourth thing, you need to have your practice of each and every topic with maximum number of questions so that if such kind of question comes anywhere in the test series or in any kind of exam, you will be able to solve those questions quickly. All these benefits you will be getting on our platform, which is Unacademy Plus. So if you join Unacademy Plus, your learning will be in such a way that your practice, your problems, your doubts, your every single thing will be on the positive side. So take live classes. If you missed the live classes, you can listen those in the recorded mode, weekly test, doubt solving, and so many such facilities, so that you can have your preparation on the best side for your gate. If you want to go for Unacademy Plus subscription, that subscription you can take for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12, 18 and 24 months. These are the prices written for 12, 18 and 24 months. But these prices are after using this code and getting 10% discount. If you use this code, you will definitely get 10% discount. But this code is not just a discount code. This particular code is an emotional connection. That particular code is a connection, is a bridge which makes a connection between you, your preparation, and my team. There is a team of 8 members which will work for your preparation, which will support you for your preparation. If you want to connect your preparation with my team, use the code VDEEP10. Take the subscription and enjoy the best quality learning on India's largest learning platform, Unacademy. If you want that, no, I can't prepare my own strategy, I can't prepare my own study planning, I can't analyze every single thing by myself, no problem, we have experts for you. We have experts for you in this particular iconic subscription. This iconic subscription has all the facility of Unacademy Plus and extra facility of having personal coach who will give you preparation strategy, and the personal coach will always be an expert person who can provide the perfect strategy for your preparation. The person will give you study planner, will track your performance. You will be getting study booster session to remember to revise every single concepts again and again and again. You will be getting personalized test analysis so that you can improve in the further test. You will be getting extra practice sets and notes in this iconic subscription. So if you want your rank to be iconic, if you want your master's college to be iconic, go for iconic subscription. This iconic subscription also you can get using this code VDEEP10, so that you can get the discount, and apart from that you can attach your preparation, you can connect your preparation with my team. Use the code VDEEP10 for every single thing, whether you are unlocking plus subscription or iconic subscription, or you are unlocking the free content of Unacademy's platform. Remember code VDEEP10, use it and enjoy your best quality learning. These are the batches, as you can see, plus educators. The top educators are taking on Unacademy Plus. The top educators are actually the top educators of country. This is the course I have started just few days ago. If you want to join Unacademy Plus and if you want to learn computer organization architecture COA, 10 to 12 marks are asked in the GATE exam on an average from this course, and tough questions. So if you want to prepare to the highest level, use the code VDEEP10, get the subscription done and enjoy this particular course, so that you can ensure 10 to 12 marks in GATE from only this particular course too. Okay, so now the next thing is how we are going to go with this particular session. So we have already done with hashing, collision resolution techniques, chaining and everything. We have seen some advantages and some important points regarding these. Today we are going to discuss more about hashing, load factor and some other points. But today is gonna be the last session for data structure course. So if you want to learn the last content which can give you 2 marks definitely in the GATE, then you should be ready. And I want your energy to teach you in the best possible manner. So type down in the comment box, you are ready or not. Are you ready, my friend? Are you ready, my friend, or not? If you are ready, let's start the session. Let's begin the session with some points. So these are the collision resolution technique we have seen. Open addressing. Why? Just because if there is a collision at one location, then we can generate other location. Other addresses are open to be generated. In this one, all addresses are closed. If you are generating a location, there only you are keeping the key. closed hashing, just because number of keys are limited. Here number of keys are unlimited. Now if we have seen this particular difference, then chaining ka advantage I have already told you yesterday. It is very simple to implement. Hash table never fills up, means you can always add more elements in the chain. So there is no any overflow problem we have in the chaining. Then this is less sensitive to hash function. What is the meaning of sensitivity? Sensitivity means if the hash function is generating a same location again and again and again and again, it may have more and more and more collisions. But in chaining, if one location itself is generated multiple times, no problem, all the keys are stored on the same location in the chain and there will not be any problem of multiple probes. We don't have to apply multiple times some kind of new formula, new function to get the new location or something. That's why it is very less sensitive to the hash function. And then it is mostly used when it is unknown that how many and how frequently the keys may be inserted or deleted. जब हम यूज करेंगे, कब यूज करेंगे इसे? जब हमें पता होगा कि ये पर्टिकुलर चेनिंग, या हमें नहीं पता होगा कि how many number of elements to be inserted and deleted and how frequent the insertion and deletion is. If we know the key and its pattern that upcoming keys will be like this, then chaining you can avoid. You can go with other type of methods also. We have disadvantages also in the chaining. What is the disadvantage? First one is cache performance of chaining is not so good. Why? Just because you are storing keys in the linked list, and if you are storing keys in the linked list will not store the keys in the sequential manner in the memory. आपको पता है storage of the nodes of the linked list is not in the sequence, right? So if we want 4, 5, 10, 15 keys to be in the same cache block, वो possible नहीं हो पाएगा. The keys will be distributed here in the main memory. Because of that, cache का performance will not be good. If you understand in the cache performance spatial locality of reference, then spatial locality of reference will not be performing great just because the keys are distributed on different places in the main memory, right? Then wastage of space. Why? Just because sometimes it might possible that some part of the hash table is not used at all, just because you are distributing some keys over that particular location in the linked list only. Then if the chain becomes very long, then search time becomes big O of n. How? If you are inserting all the elements in the single chain only, then in that particular case, to search an element in that particular single chain, single linked list, it may take big O of n time in the worst case. And of course, you need to have extra spaces for the links, and that is also a disadvantage in the chaining. Okay, now clustering. What is the clustering? Clustering is nothing but एक झुंड, एक समूह, एक particular group of keys which are close to each other. If you remember my example of yesterday when I told you that there is a test, this is the classroom, this is the entrance, this is the teacher's podium where you will sit here. Everybody will try to sit here. Everybody new incoming student will sit here, next to that. Means already preoccupied positions we have here, but new person is trying to be near to that particular preoccupied position only. That is called as clustering. So if all the keys which I am inserting in the hash table are being inserted around previously preoccupied positions and remaining these places are all free, then that is called as clustering. Right? अंडरस्टूड? अगर आप लोगों ने कभी नॉर्थ इंडिया की शादी अटेंड की होगी तो वहां भी क्लस्टरिंग होती है, पानी पूरी के पास में, है ना, फिर तंदूर के पास में, फिर आइसक्रीम के पास में, ढेर सारा क्लस्टर होता है, राइट? ओके, सो यू माइट फील क्लस्टरिंग इन योर ओन डिपार्टमेंट, ओन लाइफ ऑल्सो. Okay, so what is the primary clustering? Let me tell you the definition. The trend is for long sequence of preoccupied positions still become longer at one place. So preoccupied positions, long sequence we have, and that is even becoming longer. Why? Just because all the incoming keys are being inserted around it only. Next, secondary clustering. Secondary clustering means some different clusters of different number of elements. So one cluster is here, one cluster is here, one cluster is here, one cluster is here, one cluster is here. Okay, so what is secondary clustering? Secondary clustering is trend is for long sequence of preoccupied positions still become longer, primarily at different places. So you are having multiple clusters, but still you are having clusters. So some places you are having keys together, remaining place free, then some cluster, then remaining place free, and so on. That is clustering in the hash tables. I hope you got it easily what is primary and what is secondary. Okay, now next thing is load factor. First of all, the word itself says load and it's a factor. What load factor is? किस पर्टिकुलर स्लॉट पे कितना लोड है, हर एक स्लॉट पे कितना लोड है, ऑन ईच स्लॉट how much load is there, means average number of keys per slot is load factor. Very simple. Suppose I am having total number of keys equal to n in the hash table, and if suppose total slots in the hash table are equal to s, can you tell me what is the load factor? What is the load factor at each particular slot? हर एक slot पे on an average कितनी keys distributed है? So load factor is equal to total number of keys divided by total number of slots. Load factor is equal to n divided by s. Now few questions I'll be asking, you need to give me the answers. Can you store, suppose you have s number of slots, s equal to let's say 10 number of slots in a hash table, can you store more than 10 keys in the open addressing, linear probing, quadratic probing, double hashing, random probing? Can you store more than 10 keys in the hash table of 10 size? No. So maximum how many keys you can store? 10, right? So if 10 keys on 10 slots, can you tell me what will be the maximum load factor possible for open addressing? Maximum load factor possible is 1. समझ में आ रही है बात? 10 slots, maximum number of keys you can insert is 10. More than that not possible. I am not talking about chaining. मैं chaining की बात नहीं कर रहा. Right? So if you understood, can I write a point here? That point can be your short note point in your final exam revision. That maximum load factor for what? For open addressing is how much? Is equal to 1. देखिए ऐसी चीजें जो छोटी छोटी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं which you can of course sometimes understand by your own knowledge or understanding in the exam, well and good. If not, then if such kind of things are given in the classroom training, definitely you will earn more marks than other people. So why we encourage you to join Unacademy Plus? Because of these kind of small things, small subsidiary things which we provide a lot in the Unacademy Plus classes. Maximum load factor for open addressing is equal to 1. Okay, fine. Now let's talk about space utilization. Now if I say I have distributed n number of keys on s number of slots, but because of chaining or some other reason, it might possible that all s number of slots are not occupied. All s slots are not occupied. Some slots are only storing all those n keys. So how many slots you have utilized as compared to the total number of slots, that will be your space utilization. कितना आपने space utilize किया है. So space utilization, I'll tell you what is space utilization. Total occupied slots as compared to total number of slots. That is the space utilization. So what should be the formula of space utilization? Can you tell me? You only tell me what should be the formula to get the space utilization. कितना space utilize हुआ, number of occupied slots divided by total number of slots. If we have S number of slots, maximum how many slots I can occupy? All. So maximum space utilization can be what? Maximum space utilization for any kind of collision resolution is equal to how much? 1. एक से ज्यादा हो सकता है क्या? नहीं. I hope you guys are understanding. मेरी होप को आप सलामत रखिए. नहीं समझ में आता है तो एक बार और देखिए. What is this? It's very simple concept. Now next thing is perfect hashing. नाम से समझ में आ रहा है कि hashing perfect है. So what is perfect hashing? Perfect hashing का एक सिंपल सा फंडा है zero collision. Something is perfect means problem is zero. Zero collision. Now I will tell you what is perfect hashing. Perfect hashing is simple thing. Suppose for example we have a hash table with n number of slots and we need to insert n keys. We need to insert n keys. Total n slots, total n number of keys. Now you only tell me, if I am going to insert n number of keys in n slot, possibility is there that we can have collision. But if all n keys distributed over n slots without any collision, एक भी collision नहीं हुआ, then that particular situation will be called as what? That particular situation is called as what? Perfect hashing. जी हाँ अक्षांश, yes. Perfect hashing. Simple, very simple. Now if you understood perfect hashing, then let's try to understand minimal perfect hashing. There are some more small points which I want to tell you so that your question solution will be improved. You will not have to guess कि यार perfect hashing का मतलब ये होना चाहिए था या वो होना चाहिए था. You should know the appropriate meaning of it. Okay, so minimal perfect hashing. What minimal perfect hashing says that you will have minimum collisions. What you will have in this one? Minimum number of collisions. How you can have minimum collisions? I can tell you. I will tell you. Look at this. Suppose if you have hash table with n number of slots and you need to insert m number of keys in that particular table. So if you will have to insert m number of keys which are more than the number of slots. M is greater than N means number of slots are less, number of keys are more. If you are inserting some number of keys to fill starting N slots, you should not have any collision. Whatever the N number of slots you have to fill starting N number of slots, one slot, one key, one slot, one key, one slot, one key, you have all the slots now first full. After that, for remaining keys, collision, 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 collision and collision. So what is the minimal perfect hashing? I will say minimal perfect hashing is no collision for what? How many? No collision for initial N number of keys. N keys. And then after that what? All other M minus N keys will have collision. I hope you understanding this point. बहुत आसान है. शुरुआत की n number of keys के लिए कोई कोलिजन नहीं. सारे स्लॉट जब फुल हो जाएंगे उसके बाद बची हुई जितनी भी कीज आएंगी सबके लिए कोलिजन आएगा. दैट इज मिनिमल परफेक्ट हैशिंग. एक और चीज बची है इसमें, यूनिफॉर्म हैशिंग. अब आप बताओ वर्ड यूनिफॉर्म का मतलब क्या होता है? ये स्कूल वाला यूनिफॉर्म नहीं है. यूनिफॉर्म वर्ड, द मीनिंग ऑफ यूनिफॉर्म इज व्हाट? द मीनिंग ऑफ यूनिफॉर्म इज सिमिलर, same to same. Okay, here the uniform hashing means you should have a hash function. You should have a hash function in such a way which can generate all the locations. एक ऐसा हैश फंक्शन जो आपकी रेंज के सारे लोकेशंस जनरेट कर सकता है, दैट इज यूनिफॉर्म हैशिंग, which should be called as fair hash function. एक ऐसा हैश फंक्शन बनाओ जो आपके टेबल के सारे लोकेशन जनरेट कर सकता है, दैट इज यूनिफॉर्म हैशिंग. सो व्हाट शुड आई राइट हियर? यूनिफॉर्म हैशिंग मींस अ हैश फंक्शन which can generate all locations with, ये वर्ड देखो, इक्वल प्रोबेबिलिटी. सारे लोकेशंस आपकी रेंज में जनरेट होना चाहिए विद इक्वल प्रोबेबिलिटी. ऐसा नहीं, that should not be the case that a particular value or a particular location is to be generated multiple times but a particular location is not ever generated at all. So सारी locations, all the locations your hash function should generate. That is the uniform hashing. I hope these small all the points are clear. Why? Just because based on all these points we are going to solve some questions. So if you will be able to understand the previous each and every concept, then we will be able to understand how to solve the questions. Okay, fine. Now question number 1 for the day. It's a GATE question 2007. Consider a hash table of size 7. Okay, so let me draw a hash table here of size 7. Let me draw it in horizontal way so that I can utilize my space here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Starting index 0, so indexes will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 and definitely 6, and a hash function 3x plus 4 mod 7. X is the key value. Fine. Assume that hash table is initially empty. Which of the following is the content of table when the sequence 1, 3, 8, 10 is inserted into the table using closed hashing? Closed hashing means you can generate the next address, open addressing. Fine. Note that this denote empty location in the table. So in this particular question, there is no any mention of the linear probing or any kind of other collision resolution technique. But as just they have given closed hashing, we will consider linear probing as the default probing. If not given in the question, we will go with the linear probing. Okay, chalo. Now next, look at this. How to do that? First of all, value 1. X value is 1. So for 1, what will be the key? 3 into 1, 3 plus 4, 7 mod 7. 7 mod 7 will give you 0. So at location 0, you can insert 1. Next key value 3. For 3, x value 3, 3 into 3 plus 4, 9 plus 4, 13 mod 7 is equal to 6. So 3 should be inserted at location 6. Next value is 8. So x value 8, 8 into 3, 3 into 8, 24 plus 7. How much? 24 plus 7 कितना होगा? 31 mod 7. कितना होगा? 3. Or what? 3 into 8, 24 plus 4. Okay, not 7. Sorry, my bad here. It's plus 4, not 8 plus 4. 28 mod 7 is 0. But just because of 0 is preoccupied, we will go for another location. 0 plus 1, 1. At location 1, we will insert the key value 8. क्वेश्चन है सर सबसे ज्यादा लीनियर प्रोबिंग आता है? जी हाँ, सबसे ज्यादा लीनियर प्रोबिंग ही आता है. नेक्स्ट की इज 10. फॉर 10 द हैश फंक्शन 3 इंटू 10 प्लस 4 mod 7. 34 mod 7 will give you 6, but 6 is occupied. 6 plus 1 mod 7, which will give you 0. That is also occupied. 0 plus 1, 1, that is also occupied. Then 1 plus 1, 2. We will have to insert this value 10 at 2. These are the free. 1 at 10, free 3. 1 at 10, free 3. Answer B is correct. Very easy. This is very easy type of question, and such kind of so many questions you can see in the previous year gate question. Very easy. You can easily solve these questions if you know how to apply the hash function already given in the question. Just simple calculation and do the rest. Another type of question. इसमें मैं आपको बहुत कुछ अच्छा बताने वाला हूं. I will tell you some small tricks in this. Consider a hash table with 9 slots. H of k is equal to k mod 9. So if hash table is of 9 size, let's draw a hash table of size 9, and function is mod 9. Of course, the indexes should be 0 to 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the collision are resolved using chaining. The following 9 keys are inserted in this order. First of all, 5. 5 mod 9 will give you 5. So store 5 over. इसको थोड़ा सा दूर लिखना पड़ेगा. 5 mod 9 will give you 5. So insert 5 at 5 in a chain, in a linked list. 28 mod 9, 9 into 3, 27 plus 1, 28 gives you 1. So at location 1 you will have a chain starting and 28 will be inserted here. Next 19 mod 9, how much? 1, 18 plus 1, so 19 also inserted here. Then 15 mod 9 will give you what? 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. So at 6 location you will insert 15. Next 20 mod 9, solve karo. 20 mod 9 should give you what? 18 plus 2, 2. So at location 2 you will have a new link starting for 20. Then 33 mod 9 कितना होगा? 6. How can I say 6? 27 plus 6, right? So 6 at location 6 you are going to insert 33. Next 12 mod 9 कितना हो जाएगा? 3 at location 3 you are going to insert 12. 9 plus 3. Then 17, last two keys are remaining. Mod 9, answer is 8. 9 plus 8, 17. So at 8 you are going to insert 17. One last 10 mod 9 is 1. Answer at 1 you will have another chain inserting 10. The maximum, minimum and average chain lengths in the hash table. Okay, fine. So minimum chain length is 0, where at location 0, 4 and 7 there is no any key. No, so minimum is 0. Minimum chain length 0. What is the maximum chain length? Maximum chain length is 3, where at location 1, that is 3. What is the average chain length? Look at this. At location 0, here 3, here 1, 4, 5, 0, plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 0, 9, total 9. 9 keys are distributed, right? So total chain length 9. On per slot, how many average? 9 divided by 9 slots, answer is 1. Now, I will give you a small hint. If suppose in this question, same question, they will ask directly that what is the average chain length? What is the average chain length in the hash table? I will not solve this question in the GATE exam. मैं ये question solve ही नहीं कर रहा. See, chain length here 3. Why? Just because 3 element inserted. Chain length 1 here. Why? 1 element inserted. Here 1. Why? 1 element inserted here. Total how many elements you have inserted? Total how many elements you have inserted. Given in the question, 9 keys inserted. So these 9 keys will be distributed on some of the slots in terms of chain. So what will be the total chain length? Answer is 9. So average chain length 9 divided by 9, 1. आपको करने की जरूरत ही नहीं. Number of keys divided by number of slots will give you average chain length. ये देखा देखा नहीं लग रहा? Number of keys divided by number of slots. Huh? That is what? That is nothing but load factor. So this average chain length is nothing but they are asking about load factor in this question, my dear friend. आपको ये जो छोटे छोटे कनेक्शंस हैं ये आपको समझने पड़ेंगे बाय योरसेल्फ. अगर आप एग्जाम में नहीं समझ पाए तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको टाइम लगेगा सॉल्व करने में. Understood? What is average chain length here? Average chain length is nothing but what? Load factor per slot. 9 keys inserted divided by 9 slot. Answer is 1. Very simple. Good. Nice. Amazing. Another one. Given a hash table T with 25 slots that stores 2000 elements. Is it possible? Is it possible to store 2000 elements in 25 slots only? Possible? Yes, possible. Where? When? How? In the chaining. In the chaining it is possible. Only in the chaining you can insert more than 25 elements in 25 slots. Load factor alpha for the T is, load factor is number of keys divided by total number of slots. Total number of keys 2000 divided by number of slots 25. Answer is 80. 80. Good. We have some more questions. Here it is. Consider a hash table which can allow a maximum load factor of 0.75. Maximum load factor of 0.75. If a hash table of size 25, then maximum allowed number of keys in the table is. We know that load factor is how much? Load factor is equal to number of keys divided by number of slots. Number of slots are given? Yes. How many? 25. Keys? I don't know. Load factor given 0.75. Keys I'll have to calculate. 0.75 of 25. You will get K is equal to 18.75. Now if K is equal to 18.75, can you tell me what is the maximum number of keys you should have so that your load factor will not go more than this? Key is equal to 18. अंडरस्टूड व्हाई दिस 0.75? अगर आपने 19 कीज इंसर्ट कर दी, इफ यू हैव इंसर्टेड 19 keys will have load factor more than 0.75. You can calculate it. Maximum load factor is this one, cannot have more than that, means number of keys will be 18, not the 19. So whether you get 18.98 also or 99 also after this division, then too you will have your number of keys 18 only. Floor value of this. Why? Just because अगर आपने 18.75 से ज्यादा की ली, means if you have taken 19 keys, then 19 keys will have the load factor more than 0.75. You can divide it right away. 19 divided by 25, load factor definitely will come more than 75% or 0.75. You can check it out immediately. Got it? Simple question, understandable. Okay, floor, always floor in this case. Chaliye, another question. Given a hash table T with 25 slots that stores 2000 elements, पुराने वाले क्वेश्चन का ही रिलेशन है, which are occupying 20 slots. 2000 elements are stored only on 20 number of slots among 25. The space utilization of the table is, you know what is the formula of space utilization? Space utilization is equal to what? Space utilization is equal to occupied slots divided by total number of slots. Occupied slots कितना होता? Occupied slots 20, total number of slots 25. आंसर आएगा कितना? अरे 20 is how much of 25? 4 by 5, which is 0.8. 20 slots are only occupying the space. 5 slots are free. 5 slots are free among 25. 20 slots are only utilized to store 2000 elements. So space utilization is 80%, 0.8. Okay? Another question, it's a GATE question, GATE 2015. This exam also I have written, this paper I have given, this particular paper I have given, this particular question was there in my my paper, and without applying a single function, I was able to answer this question. I haven't applied any of these functions. Without applying the function also, I was able to write the answer correctly, that this is my answer. You know why? Just because I can relate every single thing to other thing which you will have to learn somehow. Of course, I am having lot of experience than your experience, but if you can do it, definitely you will be able to solve the questions quickly. चलिए देखते हैं. Which one of the following hash function on integers will distribute the keys most uniformly? What is the meaning of most uniformly? Uniform hashing means सारे locations generate होने चाहिए, all the location to be generated. Fair hash function over 10 buckets numbered 0 to 9 for I ranging from 0 to 2020. So if value of I is 0 to 2020, which hash function among these four will give you uniformly all the slots with equal probability? Look at this. First I will prove the answer mathematically, which I applied in my exam, and after that I will prove by applying the function also. First thing, if you know mod 10, you can understand that mod 10 will give you unit digit of every number. Right? And I know, by knowing the number system in the aptitude, that any number's square will never have 2. किसी भी number का square लो, the 2 will not be there on the unit digit. You can check it out. 0's square, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, whatever the square you take, square of any number will not have 2 in the unit digit. Similarly, 3 also will not be there on the unit digit. 7 also will not be there on the unit digit. Understanding? Yes or no? So if some of the values will never occur on the unit digit, means mod 10 cannot generate those location itself. Means A option gone. Uniform? No. If A option gone, then immediately C option also gone. Why? Whatever I square gives you into 11, unit digit will not change. अगर into 11 किया किसी भी number में, unit digit will be as it is. करके देख लो. That is the number system. So if unit digit is same to same as I square, these two options will always give same answer. A gone, C gone. And now you just check out D also gone. Why? Something into even number. Something multiplied by even number, you will always get even number. That is again a number system knowledge. कुछ भी अलग से नहीं है, एप्टीट्यूड में पढ़ते हैं ये सब. Anything into, anything multiplied by even will always be even. Then simple, D also gone. D also gone. So if D is also gone, then answer remaining is B. B should be correct. Okay, so that's how I have proved my answer that yes, B should be the correct answer. Now we can verify that B should generate all the keys or not. Let's see if I is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and 11 and so on. What should be the value? What should be the value of this particular function? So what is the function? I cube mod 10. 0 cube mod 10, 0. 1 cube 1 mod 10, 1. 2 cube 8. 3 cube 27, 7. 4 cube 64, 4. 5 cube 125, 5. 6 cube mod 10, 6. 7 cube 3. 8 cube 512, 2. 9 cube 9. 10 cube again 0. And for 11 again you will get 1. For 12 again you will get 8, and all these keys repeated. So you can check it out. For 0 to 9, you have all the keys generated. You have 0, yes, 1, yes, 2, yes, 3, yes, 4, yes, 5, yes, 6, yes, 7, 8, yes, 9 also. All the keys are generated. All the slots are generated. So see, the thing is, this is what you need to do in every single question in GATE exam. If you can understand the short trick behind this, the solution of the question, you can solve such questions quickly. You can gain marks also, plus you can concentrate on those tough questions which will need extra time, and hence you can improve your score. That is what the difference between the toppers and the average person in the GATE exam. अगर आप लोगों को इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन क्विकली नहीं बनते हैं, डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट द मार्क्स, बट यू विल टेक मोर टाइम टू सॉल्व सच काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, एंड इन दैट केस you will waste a lot of time, and in that particular case definitely you will not be able to provide extra time to those tough questions which you could solve if you could have given extra time to those questions. Time ही नहीं बचेगा. That's how practice, knowledge of every single topic till the depth is much more required every time. Okay, understood. These are the small tips which are really required for all of you to crack the GATE with the highest rank. Okay, another question. Consider a hash table with 6 slots. Fine. If 6 keys are inserted in the hash table with perfect hashing. Now recall, what is the perfect hashing? What is the perfect hashing? Perfect hashing means you are going to have zero collision. After inserting all 6 keys on 6 slots, no collision means every key generating its unique slot. Then total number of sequences in which the 6 keys can be inserted is, कितने अलग अलग सीक्वेंस में वो 6 की आप इंसर्ट कर सकते हो. See, if no key is having the collision, means every single key will go and sit on its own position, like your exam roll number and sitting arrangement. If you have a unique roll number, yes. If you have your unique sitting position based on your roll number, you will go and sit on your roll number only. Nobody else will sit on your location. You will not sit on anybody else's location. So in how much different possible sequence the student can come into the room and can sit in the exam hall? Answer is all possible permutation of 6 keys. All possible permutation of 6 keys. Understood? So for this particular question, 6 keys can be inserted in 6 factorial way. Yes Aditya, exactly. 6 factorial is the possible number of sequence. किसी भी sequence में कभी भी कोई भी element insert कराओ, वो अपनी allotted slot पे जाके बैठ जाएगा without any collision. 6 factorial is the answer. Can you calculate for me what is the answer for 6 factorial? Can you calculate, somebody? Can you calculate how much it is? The 6 factorial is, total answer is, I would like to write it here. It's 720. Okay, fine, got it, understood that particular point, everybody? Great, amazing. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Oh, same question I have brought. Fine. Okay, so this question already we have seen, we have already solved. That's it. Okay, so I hope you got the point, you got the idea that how to solve these questions. Abhi session khatam nahi hua hai. I will recall few points and I will tell you some information. I'll give you some information, so stay tuned. So in the data structure, these topics we have done: basics, array, linked list, queue, stack, tree, graph, hashing. In the stack we have solved, or we have seen 2 topics. First one is expression, and the second one is the recursion. All these we have already done. Now what is next? Next is tomorrow onward, same time 7 p.m. First, we will cover up remaining topics of COA previous year gate questions, and then we will go with the data structure PYQ same time 7 p.m. Daily to daily COA. Tomorrow I am going to start with the micro programming. So if you have seen micro programs in the COA previous year questions, all those will be solved here. I will tell you how to approach these questions. I will tell you how to solve such questions. I will tell you how you can save the time in these questions. All these things tomorrow onwards I will be telling you how previous year questions are being solved. I will not only tell you the solution कि ऐसे होता है, I will tell you the approach कि if I will be sitting in the exam and if I will be solving that particular question in the exam, then how exactly I attempt the questions in the exam, so that you can learn that मुझे भी ऐसा करना है. Got it? And data structure. For data structure also, few of the sessions I have already recorded. You can go to the playlist section and you can check it out. Those few of the lectures, few more lectures are remaining, few more questions are remaining. All those also I will cover, so that you will be having a particular series before this month end. I will cover up all the PYQ COA data structure also. Then next month onwards, we'll be having some different series for your revision and multiple other things. These are the plans. If you are following me on Unacademy, well and good. If not, then create your account using this code VDEEP10, so that you can unlock all the free classes on Unacademy's platform. It's absolutely free. You don't have to have any kind of payment at all. Just unlock the free content using the VDEEP10 code and listen there. There are live classes absolutely free. Tomorrow at 4 p.m. I am having a special class which is absolutely free. That particular free class is for all those members who are preparing for gate 22 and 23. Look at this. If you are preparing for gate 22 and 23, tomorrow 23 December, I am having a special class at 4 p.m. That particular class is specifically for DBMS. That how you will prepare DBMS for gate 22 and 23 subject wise strategy. I will tell you, I will give you the roadmap that how you should approach each and every topic, each and every subject, each and every simple concept. So tomorrow 4 p.m. free live class on Unacademy special classes series. If you have liked this particular session, please do one thing. Go to the first lecture of this playlist, data structure playlist, and drop your comment over there, just because there are so many students who will be in dilemma that this playlist we should watch or not. After reading your comments, definitely those people will take a decision that yes, we should watch or not. That will help those students a lot, that they should watch such kind of series which can help them more in learning, more in understanding the concepts, more in learning the concepts easily. So please go to the first lecture of the playlist data structure and drop your comment that how your experience was during entire series and how you learned in this particular entire series. So this DBMS will definitely start soon. We will start DBMS soon for you guys live online, so that you can have the DBMS also on this particular channel itself. As of now, Ankush Saklecha sir is taking the algorithm. As soon as he will be done with his algorithm course, he will bring DBMS for you guys. And very soon we are going to bring really different kind of surprises. So many surprises for you. Different sections we are going to bring for you. All those sections, all those classes, all those sessions absolutely free, and those sessions definitely you will enjoy a lot, apart from my personal PYQs and all. Okay, if anybody wants to join Unacademy Plus, use this code VDEEP10, take the subscription and connect your preparation with my team's effort. And if you want to have any kind of clarity about Unacademy Plus platform, any kind of problem, query, question you have regarding your preparation strategy or something, you can connect with me over different channels on Unacademy's platform. You have the facility to message educator, you just go there, message the educator and talk to me over there. I can help you in your preparation. If you have any kind of confusion regarding Unacademy Plus or Iconic subscription, please talk to me. I will definitely help you out in that particular case. Okay, question is, sir, B tree and B plus tree will be taught in DBMS? Yes, in the DBMS. Fine, all the members who want to be having a free learning on this particular channel, we are providing you complete package. Just check out these playlists. My playlist of COA already there, 2 playlists are there, full length, then crash course, all those content are there, full length, slow, elaborated, structured manner, crash course, little bit smaller, elaborated, not elaborated but little bit condensed, but complete syllabus. We have theory of computation by Mallesham sir, Satish sir ka discrete math, we have computer network by Pankaj sir, Khalil sir, operating system machine learning by Arun sir, and 3 more educators are there who are teaching you live here. So please watch these lectures also if you want to learn for free on Unacademy on the YouTube. If you want to have your PDF and any announcement from my team, just join this Unacademy Gate CS channel of Telegram and you will get lots of information over there. Apart from that, if you want to be connected with us on Facebook, these are the pages to be connected with us. If you have friends in other domain like electrical, ECIN, let them know that we have a Creatrix channel for them to learn absolutely free, taught by top educators of country. We have Unacademy Gate MEPI XE channel for mechanical, civil के लिए recommend them. This is the channel for SSC JE, for RRB SSC, and then we have computer science, your own channel. This particular channel is your own channel. So if you want to learn more, if you want to have more and more and more and more and more content, then be here consistently, come here, come live, enjoy free lectures, plus share these words with all of your friends and connections over social media, over any kind of connected groups you have. Let them know that we are providing free classes here. So share the playlist, share the links of the lecture, share the entire channel link so that they also can learn a lot and freely quality education. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please do it and turn on the notification. ये घंटी बजा दो ताकि जब भी मैं क्लास लेने आऊं आपके फोन की घंटी बज जाए. Every time you come for the session, listen the session, please like करो so that we will get motivation that yes, you are attending the session live and enjoying. Happy learning, that's my code. With that particular said, we will see you soon in the next particular series. Till then, have a nice remaining day. Bye bye.